Can twin studies predict schizophrenia? Have you ever wondered how scientists study the genetics of schizophrenia? One fascinating method is through twin studies. This approach helps researchers understand the role of genetics in this complex disorder. But can these studies really predict who will develop schizophrenia? Let's break it down. Twin studies focus on two types of twins: monozygotic twins, also known as identical twins, who share 100% of their genetic material, and dizygotic twins, or fraternal twins, who share about 50%. By comparing these two groups, researchers can estimate how much of schizophrenia is influenced by genetics. One key finding from twin studies is the concordance rate. This rate shows how likely it is for both twins to have schizophrenia if one of them is diagnosed. For monozygotic twins, the concordance rate is around 40 to 50%. In contrast, for dizygotic twins, it drops to about 10 to 20%. This significant difference suggests that genetics plays a strong role in the development of schizophrenia. Researchers also estimate heritability, which is the portion of variation in the risk of developing schizophrenia that can be attributed to genetics. Studies indicate that heritability estimates range from 60 to 80%. This means that while genetics is a major factor, it is not the only one. Environmental influences also play a significant role. However, it is essential to note that twin studies cannot fully predict schizophrenia. The fact that the concordance rate for monozygotic twins is not 100% indicates that genetics alone does not determine whether someone will develop the disorder. Environmental factors and unique experiences that differ between twins also contribute to the risk. Interestingly, some monozygotic twins who do not show symptoms of schizophrenia still carry genetic risk. This suggests that genetic susceptibility can exist without the disorder manifesting. Factors like DNA methylation and various environmental exposures can influence this outcome. Large-scale twin studies using population registries have confirmed these findings. They help estimate the risk of schizophrenia in the general population while reinforcing the idea that genetics is a significant factor. Yet, they also highlight the complexity of predicting who will develop the disorder. In summary, twin studies show that schizophrenia has a strong genetic basis, but they also reveal that environmental and genetic factors interact in ways that make prediction challenging. While these studies help identify genetic risk, they cannot definitively predict who will develop schizophrenia. Understanding this helps guide future research toward pinpointing specific genetic variants and environmental interactions that contribute to the disorder.